Something big is brewing inside Ford's engineering labs. And if the leaks are right, the entire heavy-duty truck market is about to be turned on its head. Word is spreading fast about a rumored 2027 Ford 7 LV8. And if even half of what insiders are saying turns out to be true, Ford may be gearing up for one of the most significant powertrain moves in recent memory. A move that could fundamentally change what American truck buyers expect from a gasoline engine and shake diesel's long-standing dominance. At the core of all this buzz is one straightforward but loaded question. Could Ford's rumored 7 LV8 become the next evolution of the beloved Godzilla 7.3 LV8? And beyond that, could a gasoline engine genuinely go toe-to-toe with diesel when it comes to towing performance, long-term durability, and total ownership cost? Those are serious questions, and the answers might surprise a lot of people who have been loyal diesel buyers for years. To understand why this engine matters so much, you have to look at where the truck market stands right now. Diesel engines, the Power Stroke, the Duramax, and the Cummins have owned the heavy-duty segment for decades. They produce massive torque, they haul serious loads, and they last a long time under hard use. But diesel comes with a price that goes well beyond the sticker. You are paying more upfront, more at the service bay, and dealing with emission systems that add layers of complexity and potential failure points. DEF fluid requirements, EGR problems, and tightening regulations are real headaches that diesel owners know all too well. Meanwhile, Ford's 7.3L Godzilla V8 has been quietly building a very loyal following. Fleet managers and private owners alike have come to appreciate its simplicity, its toughness, and its lower cost of ownership compared to diesel. It is not trying to be a diesel engine, but it has been eating into diesel territory in ways that nobody fully predicted when it first launched. So now the question becomes, what happens when Ford takes that proven formula and refines it into a next-generation engine designed for an even more demanding market? According to consistent reports from industry insiders, the rumored 7 LV8 is expected to arrive as a naturally aspirated unit, most likely with a pushrod configuration. The focus is said to be on torque optimization rather than high-revving horsepower. Advanced direct injection is expected throughout, and there are even whispers about potential hybrid compatibility down the line. If that sounds like the Godzilla playbook carried forward into a new era, that is because it essentially is. Ford is not expected to reinvent the wheel here. The goal appears to be refining what already works and pushing it meaningfully further. This engine will not be chasing sports car numbers at the top of the rev range. It will be built from the ground up to deliver strong low-end torque, to handle sustained workloads, and to keep maintenance costs from spiraling over time. Those are exactly the qualities that diesel buyers have always prioritized, and Ford appears to understand that audience well. Engineers are expected to focus on combustion efficiency, improve thermal management, and reducing internal friction throughout the engine. The result could be better fuel economy than the 7.3L, lower emissions output, and torque figures that genuinely challenge diesel in ways gasoline engines rarely have before. Now, can a gas V8 actually challenge diesel dominance? Diesel still holds real advantages when it comes to peak torque at low RPM, efficiency under sustained heavy load, and long-haul towing consistency. Those are legitimate strengths that will not disappear overnight. But gasoline engines have been narrowing that gap year after year through improved engineering. They are quieter, they perform better in cold weather, they cost less to buy, and they are far simpler to maintain. If the 7 LV8 delivers meaningfully improved torque in the lower RPM range, that gap gets even smaller. Here's the point that matters most. The real battle is not about which engine produces the highest peak torque number on a spec sheet. It is about usable torque in everyday real-world conditions and what ownership costs look like over 5 or 10 years. If a gasoline engine can deliver enough pulling power for the majority of buyers at a lower total cost, the case for diesel becomes a lot harder to make for most people in this segment. That said, the diesel killer label being thrown around in some circles is a bit overblown. Diesel is not going anywhere when it comes to extreme towing, commercial long-haul work, or situations where maximum efficiency under constant heavy load is the priority. But that is not the entire market. A huge portion of truck buyers are hauling boats, campers, and trailers on weekends. They handle occasional heavy loads, some light commercial work, and a lot of everyday driving in between. For those buyers, diesel can start to feel like considerably more than they actually need. That is the territory where the 7 LV8 could make its biggest impact. One of the most talked about rumors surrounding this engine is the possibility of hybrid integration. If Ford pairs the 7 LV8 with an electric motor system, the equation changes dramatically. Electric assist means instant torque from a standstill, better overall fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and sharper towing response right off the line. The gas engine handles sustained power output, while the electric system fills the low-end torque gaps that diesels have traditionally dominated. A hybrid-assisted 7L V8 would not just be a gasoline engine trying to beat diesel on its own terms. It would be something genuinely different and more capable in real-world use. Cost is another major factor in this conversation. Diesel ownership has always carried a financial burden that many buyers underestimate until they are already committed. Higher purchase prices, expensive injector work, turbocharger repairs, emission system maintenance, and the ongoing cost of DEF fluid all add up fast. A gasoline V8 that delivers near-diesel capability at a significantly lower total cost of ownership is not just appealing on paper. It is a compelling value proposition that buyers will respond to when they sit down and run the actual numbers. Towing expectations will ultimately be the final measure of whether this engine earns its place in serious truck territory. Strong, low-end torque tuning is anticipated, paired with an advanced transmission, likely a 1.0, speed or beyond, optimized specifically for heavy load conditions. Modern transmission technology plays a critical role here, because smarter gear management allows a gas engine to stay in its optimal power band more consistently, and that is where real-world towing capability is actually produced. Reliability will be an equally defining factor going forward. The 7.3L Godzilla built a strong reputation in this area, and if the 7L continues down that same path, fleet buyers will take serious notice. Lower long-term costs and strong resale values follow a reliable engine everywhere it goes. If Ford delivers a powertrain that buyers trust to run hard for 200,000 or 300,000 miles without major drama, that shifts purchasing decisions faster than any horsepower figure ever could. The ripple effects will be felt across the entire industry. General Motors may need to push harder on its gas, V8 offerings, or accelerate hybrid development for heavy-duty applications. Ram, which has leaned heavily on the Cummins diesel identity for years, may be forced to rethink its gasoline engine strategy entirely. The 2027 Ford 7L V8 may not be a diesel killer in the strictest sense, but it could mark the beginning of a genuine and lasting shift in how serious American truck buyers think about what belongs under the hood. Ford's Godzilla engine is not just a remarkable engineering achievement, it's, well, a game changer with the potential to revolutionize the entire automobile industry. With its unmatched power, cutting-edge features, and versatile applications, this engine really raises the bar for performance and sets new standards in the field. Building on Ford's long history of innovation, the Godzilla engine follows in the footsteps of iconic predecessors, while, surpassing them in terms of sheer power and advanced technology. Drawing from a rich legacy of innovation, the Godzilla engine pays homage to its iconic predecessors while soaring past them with a lethal combination of sheer force and advanced technology.